Hello students, today we will be learning about isomerism. Carbon compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula are known as isomers. The property is called isomerism. Example, butane, that is C4H10 has two isomers. They are normal butane and isobutane. When the carbon chain is in straight form, it will be normal butane, and when the carbon chain will be in the branch form, it is known as isobutane. And for isobutane, you must remember that one carbon, that is methyl group, must be attached to the second carbon atom, having centrally located. Next is the pentane, that is C5H12, has three isomers. They are normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane. Below you can see the picture of normal pentane having the straight chain, isopentane having the methyl group attached to the second carbon atom, and neopentane, that is the rectangular formation of carbon atoms. Now, the next topic in carbon and its compound is the homologous series. Homologous series is a group of carbon compounds having similar structure, similar chemical properties, and whose successive members differ by CH2 group. Example, alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Alkanes have general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. Their names end with A and E, and the members are as follows: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10, pentane C5H12. In this sequence, you can note one thing, that they are having a systematic pattern. That means the number of hydrogen atoms is exactly double the number of carbon atoms plus 2. That means the number of hydrogen atom is 2 more than double the number of carbon atoms, and 2 more hydrogen atom is added. That means in the second case, that is ethane, you can see that carbon atom is 2 and double of carbon is 4, so 4 plus 2 6 hydrogen atom is there. In propane, C3H8 means the double of 3 carbon is 6, and 6 plus 2 8 8 hydrogen atom is there. And in butane, C4H10 means 4 carbon, double of 4 is 8, so 8 hydrogen atom plus 2, so 10 hydrogen atom are there. So the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Now alkenes. Alkenes have general molecular formula CnH2n. That means whatever be the number of carbon atoms, the double of the number of carbon atoms will become hydrogen atoms. Their name end with E and E, and the members are as follows: ethene C2H4, propene C3H6, butene C4H8, pentene C5H10. You can see the arrangement of carbon molecules. You must note one thing, that double bond lies between carbon. Now let us see about alkynes. Alkynes have general molecular formula CnH2n minus 2. That means in alkynes, the number of hydrogen atom will be 2 less than the double of carbon atoms. Their names ends with Y and E, and the members are as follows: ethyne C2H2, propyne C3H4, butane C4H6. That means you can see the picture, you can see the arrangement of carbon atoms here in ethine. You can see three bonds between carbon and carbon. So by observing the number of bonds between carbons, you can group them into alkane, alkene and alkyne. Thank you.